question is asking if log 7 to the base 10 is 0.8451, then the position of the first significant digit is what? Is the question asked. Let's say that let the value of 7 to the power minus 20 be x. Take log on both sides. Is it okay? Take log on both sides. Log on both sides. That is what? Log to the base 10 on both sides, right? Log to the base 10 of x, that is equal to log to the base 10 of 7 to the power minus 20. So log to the base 10 of x, that is equal to minus 20 log to the base 10 of 7. So log to the base 10 of x, that is equal to minus 20 into what is it? 0.8451. So your answer to the question will be minus 2 into 8.451. So minus 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 1 9, 2 8s are 16. Okay. So minus 16.902. So minus 16.902 will lie between minus 17 and minus 16, right? It is very close to minus 16.902, lies between minus 17 and minus 16. Therefore the first significant digit, occurs after how many places, right? Question is asking what? Question is asking, therefore the position of the first significant figure, okay, position of first significant figure, that is equal to 17 is the answer to the question.